Hi everyone, this is day 28 practicing and speaking English to be more fluent and confident. And the agenda or the topic that I am going to describe in this video is related to daily routine and what was the main point which helped me to create this content. I will describe that in this video. So today I was scrolling on YouTube and there came a reel in my shorts. Actually I do not scroll so many times, but when I feel like there are so much pressure in my mind and I have to relax by somehow, so I go to the YouTube and start scrolling reel, but not watch too many reels. I approximately watch 2 to 3 reels. After that I stop watching the reels. So there came a reel in which a boy was hammering on a rock. So means he was breaking the rocks through his hammer. So he said that he had tried for 127 times, and at the 128th time he was able to break the rock into two parts. So he was saying that there are horses in the wedding. On their eyes on both sides they stripe two black putties, so that the horse cannot see around what are the people, who the people are dancing, how they are enjoying, and how the loud music is going up, so that the focus of the horse can be straight in a line, so that he go towards the direction for which he has came. So he was motivating through his reel, and he explained it very well, and I was amazed by his thoughts, and I thought that okay, he's talking about the consistency and steady progress in his video. But there was a comment of a person who said that, bro, I am not able to focus, that's why I have came here and watched your video. So I thought that even though I came here to I came here to relax my mind, and after reading that comment I found that okay, so there are many people who can find the bad things from the good things. So he has what to say, he has just spoiled all the motivation that he described in that video. And I was laughing a lot while reading this comment section. I went to my friends and I told them that this comment was in this video, and what he have commented, and the main motto of that video which he want to show to the people who are watching reel and scrolling reel on YouTube and are frustrated by their everyday routine and are not able to focus in their life. He was just giving away, so that if you are not if you are not success for the first attempt, then you must keep working by yourself, and you must hit the bell until you unlock the door. So he was motivating the people in this manner, but that comment actually waste all the content that he wants to deliver. But yeah, it was great, and from there I got the content also. And nowadays also I'm learning speaking English, and I think that I am not be more fluent, and I have not so much vocabulary or word power, but I have started listening so many videos, and I have started reading so many new words, but I'm not going to memorize them. I just want to make sure that I have read them for the first time, so that whenever anyone is speaking in front of me, I must not feel blank that these words are first time for me, so that I have to pressure on my mind and think about those words. So yes, that was all. And I also watched the IPL today, so I will describe the IPL in this video. And the Kolkata Knight Riders has scored 220 in just 20 overs, and the last 18th and 20th over I saw the match, 18th, 19th and 20th. The bowling of Bumrah was amazing, as we all know that he is the best bowler in the Indian team and around the world. No one can match the aura of Bumrah. And he has also made an ad of yippee noodles, in which he's saying that how to eat this yippee. If I do aura farming and eating this yippee, then it will be okay. If I am fighting with bear and eating yippee, then it will be okay. Then the director said that no sir, you have to do nothing, you have just to eat the yippee noodles. Everything will goes on by its own end. So he just start eating, and we know all guys, for the ad to give the more popularity to yippee, they showed that Bumrah is really enjoying eating yippee, and he is feeling it very tasty, and he ate all the yippee, and at the last whatever the juice of the yippee came at the end, so he tries to drink. But in the editing I was watching that there is no connection between yippee and Bumrah's mouth, because whenever we are eating Maggi or yippee, then there comes some types of spices that are used in the yippee, or pasted on our lips. So in this manner he has made an ad, and the score made by Kolkata Knight Riders is very challenging, and last night Sunrisers Hyderabad has been defeated by RCB, and the Virat Kohli played very well in the last night, and Padikkal, I don't know what is his full name, so Padikkal played a very great inning. And this was all for this video. And today there was a batsman who scored 29 out of 51, and I think Raghuvanshi, his name is Raghuvanshi, some kind of. So I do watch match just because of the commentary, that the commentator, that commentary on the match, I just go for that and listen that. And even I was listening the commentary today, I was feeling so empathy, and I wasn't able to understand what they are saying, but I am trying to listen them by my own. So it is helping me a lot to speaking and listening and understanding the English in a predefined manner. So I have started reading books a lot, and nowadays I am feeling that okay, I am eager to learn, and I am able to know the new words. So that's all for this video. We'll meet again a new video tomorrow. For then, have a great day and enjoy your life. Bye.